Hello, it's Lolly, and I have the next Valentine's Day card in the series I'm doing for Aunty Vera's Scrap and Craft. And what I've done is taken the solid black cardstock that I got from her, and this is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and then I cut a smaller one out of the pattern paper, so this is 4 by 5 1/4, I'm pretty sure, yeah. So now I went ahead and used a heart that I had designed in Silhouette Design Studio to cut that out right here. But all you have to do is get any heart shape that you like, trace it on here, trace it through the back would be better, and cut it out with your craft blade and then save this. And once you have this, I would also make a pattern of this, or whatever pattern you use to trace, keep that because we're going to be needing that in another card. So save that heart and you will be using it again. So here's what I have, and I have a little piece of acetate. But first thing I want to do is use my Deco Color Premium Gold Pen, and I want to edge these pieces, and I've been shaking this a little while, so it should be primed, and I can't get it open. Okay, and I want to edge these, and then I'm going to let it dry, because usually when I'm crafting on the video, the problem is I keep touching this because I don't let it dry. So we are going to let this dry, and then while this is drying, it's always hard to get in that crease there. While this is drying, I'm going to paint something else that needs to dry. Now if you're just edging paper like this, now and then you need to move it around because it kind of gets a little crease in here, and kind of pump it now and then to get some more fresh paint down there. This is one of my favorite craft markers of all time, is this gold Deco pen. I will give you a link to it down below. And I also have this in silver, and I really like that as well. It just creates a really pretty border on items. And I think what I'll do is I'll also do this heart opening here. Okay, I'm going to put that aside, and I always store this point up. Now, in my kit that she gave me, this is just for a guest designer. The design team itself, they get a different kit. So, but just so you know, these products are in her shop, and I think I like this little gold crown here. I think I'm going to paint one of those, and maybe this perfume bottle here. I'm going to paint both of those golds. So put that there. And I have this, it's metallic acrylic paint, and this happens to be it was one that they sold at Target. You don't have to have this, you know, whatever gold metallic paint you have on hand, use that. You don't have to have any special brand. Now we're going to let all of that dry, these and that, and we will come back later. So I'm back, and I had, you know, when I did all that gold edging, I let it all dry, and I'm coming back now to work on this card. And what my original goal was, and I'll show you how you can change your mind in the middle of a project. My original goal had been to put gold edging on this side, and I was going to glue this into the background like this and elevate this up and make a shaker out of it. And I still may do that on another card, but I realized I had done the gold on this side instead, and then I kind of decided to go with it and just offset it here. So I'm going to start by anchoring this down, and I have the Tombow . And I want to raise this up and off-center it like this so we can see the black under it. I'm going to get some pop-up dots. Okay, so let's get these on the back here. Just a few of these. Oops, of course it helps to take the one... It helps to peel off one of the sides here in order to get it to stick, doesn't it? Oh my, oh my, oh my. Let's see, I have gold on my fingernails, and I still have paint under here that I can't get out. Okay, that's from my last mixed media project. I was working on another one. Okay, and this is just however I want to do it. There's really no methodology to that, so I really like that. Okay, bringing that up close there. Alrighty, and then what I did, Also, while I was waiting, is I cut a black strip and I put gold edging around that. And you know, the little strip at the end of a 12-inch paper, I cut that off, and I'll put that on there as well. I just love the way this black is bringing out the colors of this so well. I wonder if I should raise that as well. No, because I think I want the focus to be on this raised heart. So I'll put that down. I punched out just a regular heart with my heart-shaped punch that I have. And I'll stick that here like that. And then I have this perfume bottle, and I have the crown. And I can think of which one I want to go there. I think I'll put this one there, and let's see if the Fabri-Tac might hold that down for me since it's sitting right here on my table. So I'm mostly putting this on the left. I'm not centering it because the heart is off center to the right, and I think this helps to balance it. And then the name of the paper pack is Hello Sweetheart. So I want to lift this up as well, or put the crown with it maybe, or I could use some gold eyelash. Let me see if this is too busy with that. I think I'll go for it. Okay. The eyelash trim, a lot of it seems to be always coming off one end, so I'm going to glue it on here so that the eyelash is sticking off the card instead of sticking into the middle of it. I think I'm just going to do top and bottom instead of going completely around. And I am so sticking to this. Good adhesive. Yeah, I still like it. And I think it'll help to bring a little attention to the fact that I've got this saying there. And I think this might need to be popped up a little too. So let me take this and cut one of these in half. Now the question is, do I want to use this crown or save it for another project? So it's already painted. Yes, I think I'll put it right up in that little rounded area of that heart. There we go. And I think that is done. Whoops, well, all I need to do now is to glue this onto a white card base. Let me zoom in here so you can see the finished product. There. Happy, happy, happy with it. I'm really happy. Thank you for watching, and give me a thumbs up on my video.